This week's top stories are Rock On 2 all set to release, Force 2 first look, low-budget films gain at box office. Hi, I'm Shafina and welcome to Bollywood Scoop, where we have all the latest stories and gossip directly from Tinseltown. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the show. It's gossip time, where we have the hottest news from the industry. We'll tell you about the latest gossip and trends in the industry. Here, check out what we have in store for you this week.
The wait for Bahubali 2 is getting difficult by the day. While the first part left us with high hopes and expectations for the film, Rana Daggubati and Prabhas are posting details that are making us super excited for the film. According to a recent report, actor Rana Daggubati had confirmed that the second installment of the film is going to be bigger and better. In an interview, Rana said, "The action scenes in Bahubali 2 will make the first film look small. They have been amazingly shot and are mind-blowing. We were left awestruck while filming them, so I can imagine how the audience will be blown away by them." Further explaining why fans should have high expectations from the film and how the film will be an enthralling experience, he added, "During the first time we were experimenting, things weren't established, but now Bahubali has become a brand, so we have shot it accordingly." Further talking about his own physical transformation and how it took him 6 to 8 months to get the bulky look, he added, "It was a lot of hard work. When we started, I was already fitter, but they needed more. It took 6 to 8 months of aggressive training and strict diet." After the Uri attacks, the debate surrounding the ban on Pakistani artists divided the film fraternity into two. While many supported Pak artists, many others thought the only way to cut all ties with Pak was to ban the artists. Amidst these controversies, there were several reports that claimed Mahira Khan had been replaced as Shah Rukh Khan's heroine in Raees. The reports strongly claimed that the pressure on the production house was so strong that they couldn't help but replace Mahira Khan with another actress. However, all these reports were false, it seems. Rubbishing all these reports and also clarifying that the release date of the film hadn't been pushed. The internet is a fascinating place, but sometimes it is deceptive too. While Twitter and FB have made it possible to share their opinions with just one click, this has also made the internet a very confusing place, courtesy internet hoaxes and rumors. While all it takes is just one tweet or an FB post for a rumor to spread like wildfire, the damage it can cause can be endless at times. According to reports that were doing the rounds, CBFC had chopped off 3 steamy scenes from the film. The reports claim that even though Karan Johar himself attended the censor screening, censor board was hell-bent on chopping off 3 steamy scenes between Ranbir and Aishwarya. However, looks like this was just another internet rumor that was totally baseless. But a report confirms that a reliable source from Dharma Productions confirmed that the reports are baseless. Denying all these reports, the source confirmed that the film is being released without any cuts on the 28th of October as per planned. However, the film has been given a UA certificate since they felt the intimate scenes were not suitable for children.
The movie Rock On 2 is all set to release. It features Farhan Akhtar, Arjun Rampal and Prachi Desai in the lead roles. The movie is a sequel to the film Rock On, which was released in 2008. The music for the movie is given by Shankar Ehsaan Loy and is expected to win many hearts. So, are you booking your tickets for the movie?
Rock On 2 is being promoted vigorously, and the film is also receiving a positive response. Its story centers on a rock band and hence, a music concert is being used as a promotional tool for it. Just like Rock On, Shankar Ehsaan Loy has composed music for its sequel too. Not just the Rock On series, but almost every production and directorial venture of Farhan, the music has been composed by this music team. Farhan believes that his partnership with Shankar Ehsaan Loy is very special.
जो कोलैबोरेशन है शंकर एहसान लॉय के साथ एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट का पिछले 16 सालों से, वो मतलब एक बहुत ही स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप है हमारे कंपनी के लिए, मेरे लिए एज ए डायरेक्टर। इतनी सारी फिल्में हमने एक साथ की हैं, दिल चाहता है, लक्ष्य, डॉन, जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा, रॉक ऑन, दिल धड़कने दो, बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में हैं. To get Shankar Ehsaan Loy and Excel together on the stage, to perform together, to celebrate this relationship that we've had for the last 15-16 years, and to use this occasion to share with our audiences and our fans out there our latest collaboration, which is Rock On 2, is something that's very special, and this makes this event very special for us.
From Dil Chahta Hai to Rock On 2, Shankar Ehsaan Loy's association with Excel Entertainment has completed 15 years. In order to celebrate this landmark, a special concert has been organized for the promotion of Rock On 2.
बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग डे है मेरे लिए. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं लाइव परफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ. पूरी रात नहीं सोई, एंड सो इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट एंड बटरफ्लाइज. एंड या आई होप आई डोंट डिसअपॉइंट द क्राउड, एंड इट्स अ रियल ऑनर फॉर मी. बहुत गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू.
As a production house, Excel has also completed 15 years in the industry. And to mark this celebration, Farhan's production partner Ritesh Sidhwani believes it is a great thing to release the sequel of a cult film like Rock On.
It's a special film. It's हमारी जो Excel में जो फरहान और हमने जब कंपनी शुरू की थी, our first film was दिल चाहता है, जिसको एक national award मिला, which was a big honor. And then after that, it was Rock On, which got recognition by the president and the country. So it is a very special film. आज we are celebrating that, the launch of it. That is why music आज सिर्फ यहाँ के लिए we have just, it's like a announcement of the music coming on 21st, and it's also आज के we are celebrating the 15 years of Excel, so there will be a lot of music from all the films which we made till now.
Apart from Farhan and Shraddha, Arjun Rampal, Purab Kohli and Shashank Arora are also playing lead roles in Rock On 2. These three members attached to a music band in the film are not singers in real life. Because of this, these three were unable to give live musical performances. Rock On was a musical chart buster, and it is hoped that Rock On 2 will continue that record.
Force 2 is an upcoming movie which features John Abraham and Sonakshi Sinha in the lead roles. It is a sequel of the film Force, which was released in 2011. Let's take a first look at this film.
पूरी दुनिया में पता है रॉ के कितने अंडरकवर एजेंट्स हैं? सोचो.
Force 2 is coming with double action and double suspense for your entertainment. The trailer for the sequel of the action-packed 2012 film Force was recently released. The film has put some breathtaking stunts in front of the audience for the first glimpse, which has increased the anticipation for Force 2 among them. Just like the first part, John Abraham is the hero in the film, and he has played the role of ACP Yashwardhan. The only difference is that this honest officer from the Mumbai police works as a raw agent.
A fantastic stories. When you see the trailer, it says dedicated to the heroes who lost their lives, and that's something we discussed. This is based actually on, if I may say so, Vipul, this is actually based on true events. So by the end of the film, you'll be shocked. So it's a lot, we've been inspired by a lot of true events that we've put together. So there's a lot of credibility in the story. So I think, yes, to answer your question, it's great to show ACP Yashwardhan very powerful, but it's also important to have a good story.
Sonakshi Sinha plays John's partner in the film. Her character is also that of a spy agent. After Kira, Sonakshi is seen doing good action in this film as well.
I'm very fond of action films, which is why even in the past I've been a part of a lot of action films, be it Rowdy Rathore, Dabangg 2, Son of Sardar, and you know, I just enjoy watching it as a genre, and every time I would be a part of those films, I would always watch my heroes and be like, you know, when am I going to get to do this cool stuff? And that happened with Akira, and I couldn't be more thankful that it's carrying forward with a film like Force 2, and I really enjoy it, like I said.
Nishikant Kamath was the director of Force. The film's sequel has been directed by Abhinay Deo, who is known for the dark comedy film Delhi Belly.
The first part itself defined ACP Yashwardhan. He's a very righteous, you know, जो एक आदमी है, जो एक पुलिस वाला है, जो सही करता है हमेशा, और एक hardcore person है, और उसी कैरेक्टर को हम आगे फोर्स 2 में भी आगे ले जा रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वो कैरेक्टर सेम रोल प्ले कर रहा है.
Force is among one of John's best films. This is the reason why people are waiting for Force 2. To satisfy them, John has done a lot of hard work in this film. But in this work, he also had to face a lot of problems.
एक सीक्वेंस जो आपने देखा रूफ टॉप पे हम लोग एक्शन कर रहे थे, उसमें मेरा नी डैमेज हुआ. उसके बाद हंगरी में जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे 2 नी ऑपरेशंस किए हमने वहाँ पे, और मुंबई में आके एक और ऑपरेशन किया मैंने, तो 3 नी सर्जरीज हुए मेरे. बट आई थिंक बाय द एंड ऑफ इट आई थिंक द रिजल्ट वाज गुड फॉर द नी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द फिल्म ऑल्सो. सब ठीक था, लेकिन एक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट इट्स फन.
Another attraction in the film is Tahir Raj Bhasin, who is in a negative role. Tahir had played a negative role in Mardani before this. He had received praise for his acting in the film. Everyone's eyes will be on his performance in Force 2 as well. Force 2 is going to release in November. We hope that Force 2 will receive double success in comparison to Force.